Hello, agus bhaite hí na seansaí le fáile chanta bhaú blociid na seansaí si mé go le cheada agus tá teart beá as cave ón fuam seo ná fiú in bedger tá ar cool an set asán nó mar sin ach tá an mí gopur agus sinna fáin nach chuma i mo fancy i mo home studio ná mo seamar lepa mar atá Áine ag ahanana duine ar. Tá man seo mar grad le mu cóleachiad le mu courage ar dúsbar tá man seo le aine Áine mar tú.
Okay. My chin and tapping seo ar antibiotics tonsillitis ach do what sim gur ja hampla seo de nuair dearmid na go gannne mud an tafid is cuma go dé Harlín tá Hugh an sin ní tri bháine tá sé gobar fiár as fós tá sin é am lecha le seo dhéanú mis sin am lecha gom le seo dhéanú bín mu go ní sas an tafod dhéanú ag si bhar ja hampla in chinachta.
It was really close to the wire now gromit on Shaw it was very much like a kaimuch doin chart lal heart or Shaw. It was just into practical because it can't be practical to Shaw faster let James flyer to James Chonradh.
Not good. Seachtainí criú good seach. Seachtainí criú good seach. Tá the mahéis gochris brisha cree. Wakeness. Agus just droch ar fad. Yeah. Tá mo roigeal héis rá. Gwyr se fágáil
Liverpool. Yeah.
Tá Jurgen Klopp ag gimocht. Tá siúda an Cóisir is fuide bhí am riomh mail.
Agus completely one-sided faster.
Yeah. Nílas ige sin céim a hain, but God only knows. Tá sig mo chraig a Jurgen Klopp.
James snap hugam rina seachtainna ra gro se cuiinú agus níor fiúgus gom ce héin fear seo. I was like, "Cé yap?" I was so confused.
Anocht an yogurt bheith an yap
No. Name was a magafis a shot cúis fráinneoch dá réire tá was a gol chraid donna.
Bhí meid smuid go art actually nar hánig an nach na and níos fai heart I don't know I made James and on this could derail sail on months ago, go Shaw again Martinish to Shaw. Well, I mean should the nish bedrig by Shaw be on nish game and Premier League go as one final hurrah bedger I guess and Tugichin or the Cree booked it or would that be even worse than space a good commission I'm the chugging.
Well, what was on the quadruple Ruchtal, that would in such brutal. Go my new Liverpool, then the celebrations, fake my Klopp in person, and then toss my Queen had a flight back to Allamel, be my Shen or dead at the Maria for God. Ekel, so
get right. Do you know what? Riv Jaron the Blianda, Mujing Condol Liverpool, August went Condol quickly, yeah. That's Sinead and
But to the ticket on Hugh, that would be gold dust. Well, I think we should couple €1,000,000-ish. Look, it's a silver lining at the outset at Russia look. Nah, go major go moch ear imroar go cause Liverpool Seachtainí mar Banishore. Agus Shina Zabi Alonso. Agus my hagon is fair fear Gnesola. So we're putting sexy back. We're bringing sexy back at a team lane. Even though look tá club sexy galore freshen tá farsan tacht íontoch gnéisiúil ach tá Zabi Alonso just the cool sexy.
Caiimi se na fair show cuairtaine agus actually check on mátá siad gnéisiúil nó an sin just search Túram James aon taobh.
No.
Brandon Zabi Alonso nistíach. Look, Brandon sú Zabi Alonso nistíach.
You're a litrim na Hannibal.
Zabi le X A-B-I Alonso A-L-O-N-S-O.
In Spanish is Moby James.
He's okay.
Áine, come on.
Ní mo chopanté atá you're in.
Bhí tú leis an lad cearna le Jake blian, okay, we get it. Heag le a rá gohfuil duine eile I gur go maiid.
Is mailm daoine eile ach ní mailm imróí soccer.
Oh my God. Scandalous. Absolutely scandalous.
Posers either
I mean, fair. But I just love, and handing it Ella to get me who Marielle or Zabi Alonso because it's a genuine job or die hard hour. He's literally kind of the bonus stories fair. Sedone feel her. And James is what a ride. That's
man.
Priorities.
Yes. Was that like no like look like Nisha ní bhéis mar Klopp, you know, and Nisha got like ní tú ná an duine an persantocht so like I pobl Liverpool like bhí sé enda seo like bhí sé ingrá le Liverpool Klopp agus like bhí Alonso Grimm's go Liverpool agus tá sé an but ní a persantocht chéanna go mar acu but tá Xabi Alonso got ban the coolest suit outside she makes more
Má hin go an phodchraoladh seo is sleaniste genre sport. Hello, no calling co-score and seo.
I think he was even can't be really sports, it just got to be attractive men.
Fair nice le.
And Roshar knows James because having a couple of fish thingy react I think Shaw right and Roshar knows gur chail to the new at the plan because we dingy read like Rosh the criú it was like the lad when their chat you know chail mama her chail mama where agus the Shaw or co level lesson you know go read like the late is dark of and Roshar none killed a like you know like end of an era.
No, oh, definitely goes to end of an era, but Nisha goes to like call a family member. That's on another freaking level, all right? Should he smash na ein rud you know the ein band that leave my euro. Like this level of insensitivity, you know?
You heard that text so good.
No.
You heard that play so good. You're even
freaking random Áine. And Áine Hugh saying, "Do cha say Áine." Fucking Milo weekend. Aber the Luna, they're about depressed hand it's just friggin' bisha whatever, you know. And that's friggin' Áine.
An sean fá grotas journal a chat Cóisir so gotain.
Yeah, just you're the last minute tears once more, I guess.
And maybe to like níos móna work like journal.
I know, but it shouldn't cause a Xabi Alonso fashionable.
In fairness, in Costins that James, we must mal faster, but new row is something that came on room and intervention. I didn't.
I feel like our inchmed even Tom like tree or exul. But look, new row words of on and on. You need the Cóisir of on. You let's get a James.
Okay. Hands up. We might do noch. But take on us.
Yeah, Vision Mercer Pinos Schuler James.
No. I guess to be honest, I don't think even Dolman Lago makes me freaking dirty at an hour.
Visha hope the end up so that ending nach what is haku nach run on the veil. A Cóisir Visha stay in Shamras the front ag Ars na veil or whatever. I guess Visha just see Visha Costla like community hall meeting basically isn't die a dirt shot. Like he'll just jags from I guess we like stage begun, we like podium begun, whatever. Can you ruin the a lair Gallev, except we just like Colin the Caterpillar cake or sorry, it was Lidl brand Colin, it wasn't Colin the Caterpillar, it was like the J like
Kathleen.
Kathleen. Is in rag on Shomer Cusler Saltburn. Just go watch she did this Scotland. I've been going karaoke and Marvy Starch bugin sin the projector on like chef
like V boogie Karen gonna birthday babes so he was in it like on Jodine agus really who's like
solar wugmuch or I hake Massimo's agus V much like a boogie all station V here in the sky again
a woogie all
I Gerardini automatic as Oris and Whale was like
traffic like cos le baha
no we shall cost like get a dream all a piece of bread on in own like we shall dacker it choramach as a shumra I guess like ringing mission like impersonation go on Tachtovia Somali go just urgent right folks goimach get out I guess like we just dini brandurm as you should go like to some over these you like right no, to just around the was going to pub just
like honey shake pointe near hugdini for Jergo and banistor a rash lishanatic or feel loss.
Yeah.
You should just without a harder like
Hook just do miss the dinner because it's not look basically you should like follow the leader in their teams I guess so how much has the pub by dinner?
But Argon comes to right kind of I have to call someone out now agus Sinead the housemate James agus dit was in fairness nar So we missed chun callú, or I was just going to call or ein talig, whatever. So I was like, right, missed no out of James because you're man callú or talig again. And I lie down and talig, really touch him callú. It's Kate tagging his chat. James is a housemate. Going on Avicii or in Telefish. Agus around like we've got 2 large pizzas on the way. Agus miss like fuck steak. Like what a good heck that was. No, I grew on the hallú. Because the arms to follow bus, ik shaft programmatie. Or sorry, carbon off. So I was like, you must sneaky sleeping now.
Land James or I after Sagahin.
Basically, yeah. Now, in fairness, you know what's really hard to
My afters was literally geeky pizza. That was
I know. Geeky pizza, I was the Gurker in The Simpsons. I was miss it like tucked in.
In fairness, you should have more housemate. You know much fucking rather than The Simpsons. If you rather than Simpsons to do.
Wie the housemate like she know the con like the pizza here whatever I guess mission like you got a wall off we blanket being like I was asking around like can't find out what's on to Ekel or Harvey like Tarma whatever I was like and I'm a bit hard
like grow arty and shin being carrot nuggets to those who styra agus labby James a Glocku.
Yeah I know well agus mis James a cut land then den hier fa pe ammer dagen
Eri laat go an bus agus seach de club an céad láda.
Jerry, yeah, agus we must see in rehearsals in Lion or in Lesson Lahai drama at the Magenu Gunwell. Agus chuim model hai chingar in the Hishan, agus chuim mock reach
in the Hishan. I was like absolute rebel rouser, yeah,
I know. I'm telling you to my feet. Now Ern Donach and Roma Maru, absolutely. Your mum and Buggy or Harvey, but actually no, chuim I gig Geller and Donach. Right, it's pretty good and fast. But we shall gig like folk, so we shall really chas Suanya, chas shave, inta chill, inta grammar actually we shall really my John Craig and tang turn lad. So yeah, but could just more than donut for my chill. But could gel da my absolutely Ian.
Hey, just, at least I made up for you. That would elaborate, so you know.
That Shaw a fear to my Sean and if we let her go where I did be man on fun at the Labby James Ihoan August Hammer and Tog me you can tell. So but I'm telling you now James the genre there's a cozy guitar like that's actually comfy wee space now.
That's a grand there's a clothing that Adoch like more Adoch just ever dabble but we'll get there.
I was going to say
Clanalain seachtainí mór tá amach ruin. Segue, goodie, Claudio, show go.
You're gigging me.
Because do you know what's in with grammar for Shaw, right? Because permitting in scale for Shaw like gasted, like what I tar whatever. So you're what near flame which is Shaw or an Eagrán journal. So that ain't in you at a malfarste anocht, right? Mat tattoo a malfarste anocht. Tá show beo Tá go bheith in Raidió Fáilte a ríis le haid féile in bolg le labhraíonn an namara agus tá gig be na seachtainí siúil ar dúspáir ag seacht agus sin be gailgairí ar siúil ag hocht in é sin agus tá pod pretty beo so absolutely mental go mé which just like it does was couple farste like two géisio le seo cumí géisio seo be Virginia sa water powering up the streetness like a sad country show like James
kind of be booked and busy like the much dul sus agus I láháin an trúgan le chéile mar tá rudíir siúla gahan den agin ar an deirseachna tá go mar na Hugh just airn tá train Alec James a shoot agam sa Judoni so it's going to be a flying visit go bell first a ríis mbliana ach benny go mai be Connor Torbid go mai in a piece kiolas be na Shan Vans or Schuler ni higéine so our leiscéil gohfuil an fógra có journach seo ach as féidir le daoine chat sin mar an ticketí sí an asca go mai so ni ga ach ideal iad chunáirthe ar lehanach studio firste so go gí le
Tá bud trí hí amachchas de chead a cúige er seachtar seo.
Oh my god, yeah, that was really just all a hand country worldwide tour and basically big it. What he called they absolutely wrecked Challenger shopping it. But I relied and I'm sure ní muid go bh moscailte go dtín séalthgur máidín a rééis cosú am dearna bhí muid bil farste ní bhéon repeat.
Má hín go méid G marthú nuair chluisin siad gomuid a bhúla bóthir I humara le doháile ar anocht. Mar hanimid tú snúir agus bhí nuirt sin crack gan le chéile Cóisir mór bhí an.
An doing a Kiri Shan. Is this good Tarlin there frigging to Kate Eagrán? Is that go eerie into like raw hand live like Jen the Eakin fian shop? But like Brad, the bedding is sweetness like Jesus better the Shansleigh putting the Shan in Shansleigh better division and what like
Better go much keelwarnish.
No. I would have that more of trail Amster. Sorry, look, Raidió Fáilte, you would have been hit hard. You will care the beginners focus slow again. That's all I'm saying.
Well, like Mohim go make your Sean, mar fiú and so near all mish finna me anar like agus an sin bhíon Cóisir sin agandína agus an ní one me like ní fiú seo ní smó like tá me gurí an síl cún tá me sort sober curious gan job bheith go mar hinn tam like just kind of an sí tá me gurí sort eáil an é seo an síle tá in anúnis am like caihí gurbis an ish náil men ábalta fan a hanne ní smó.
And there's this is sober curious.
Yeah, as actually gwyd me an term sin ó how to gweil fi si de kaint fi seo agus luisiid an term sin a gur terme an arúna if gwne an sort.
Yeah.
Is curiosity a bhínar gine.
Small sin ach like that is a cards of value so that mis like drunk dependent le loud.
What? Wouldn't even you go?
No. Go passanta. Hugh has a bit of game.
Come on. That's confusion.
He might be playing checkers, but it's still a game.
But your plan fucking hungry hippo man. Shouldn't game away.
Hey, agus sin an clé ibrant ach tá mis walker I ggéir an bhilcha dhéana chuige clé.
Tá James a gimmer curplunk.
Tá mis gimmer is friggin kidnapped on surgery conscience and the buzz is going off. Operation surgery. Agus sin am game am rá. It was a 50-50 agus I still lost.
But look, I kind of ócadí tá ócad mhór eile goin cumai Japanese gan lua agus be muid istí I globan conir tá seo luúte gon le daoine hana ach má héon daoine contas Instagram so gon higló ag an iscoil na tickage fáil chuin oíche Eventbrite agus be cún de burca Genesis ceol be raffle de chin leigen agin be just be Cóisirínta hagan den ihe so Canigi verdicity so mean she'd like deal to high demand exclusive party so
and fail phodchraoladh is gonna range or shocking so
Adrian Mochain as an girl gals she global conner jar shocking it is not one to be missed.
I know been the
famous goal
Heck you man.
You know what Tosca Misha Egal that is in level of dedication.
By Hugh did like a criú budget champagne is like a gorgeous she's a gob.
No, it'll be a single glynne agus be Misha absolutely fucked in the Asian just Misha our margin being like oh my god to my rectin in the Guinness Euros or fudge and I'm just oh my god
James is like I didn't buy you zeros.
It's actually albums of in the zeros I found.
The Gary Mission is I shouldn't catch you in your on the arm it's like but random Seachtainí. That's like I think of it in another one in here like Sean Curgy. I don't know
like,
or why would say no
freaked me out a bit because Neil clock do a
oh true yeah
like to come island that to on like on when you gone all on so I don't know actually like my clock do like off the rails
what do either off the rails no what to
like really depressed and like Hugh and it's like meaningful conversations on the
yeah, because to be honest, just for say Kane, you want to move a goal. This is like on meter good means a brand where means Socham be like, should I take another? No, I'll just find a piece of because I need to still be, on this energy level. I don't know
when stopping sin a goni who James.
Oh no, not nicking I can, find them in Moala Hain. Yeah, but in my clear is that definitely Hugh meter on that I stick to.
You meter.
Could
The
see like
kilometer.
could see oh yeah, agus word of caution. My thought because it was like a phodchraoladh bill. Tá sé club Cóisir just fáic style. Just
Yeah.
fáic style.
Yeah. Ní muid gurí in injuries a tarlú an ihe sin.
A rish.
No, a ríis.
Yeah.
It's lad man. In fairness, ní acama ach dunne. Well, actually, near holma ach fwy dunne wine. Ik chichim she's in station in my heel.
Just shit.
Yeah.
Dinu on stylish in. I think it'd been the Egyptians in on the stylish in. It's rampant on.
It's farting of sterile, eh?
Hé let go stroke rudí más a gahrú rudí chu stairí oriste just mí an go mí a altar an staire.
Oh look, altar an staire agus friggin loch mask fao mo cosa ar dá the step.
Tus a ringin lochsin
bhí me go ra Mohín gur le gur tosa bhí dúirtú do chud peantaí dul
No his mise ach ní titu ní banú dór amach sa pinta bhí me láh. Bhí me stromlá síos fu bhín pinta sin upright all the way she's.
The James or knows a walk the real on the gimbal shouldn't have been our Camry or whatever. Could be the session of bug we've been in Pentagonist Scony go homeland.
Hello, I gabble to tree get jaskin,
Yeah.
Gan brishu.
Yeah, basically like full WMV drip on their kids, but it definitely wasn't alcohol, we'll tell you that.
I don't think in any more Rio charmer there nation. Agus also like could you Janish Agus Gandivnish Sean Darn the shows Maginu Mother Clea Rio Gandiv nach Mema Ur Mall and I'm Shaw.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Unlike here and if you want to just stuck a tract the high Lyle of Frederick. Whoopsie.
Thomas got coppers.
Níamad James, níamad go coppers.
After Cóisir, I goppers.
No,
the ahan dana.
Yeah.
Golden
Club
wristband.
of Chonradh, coppers, Club of Chonradh, in that order. That was it.
Níamad go coppers. Níamad Paco and shit.
Ní rud be careful coppers. Don't be church mafia coppers.
No, but like the James got the coppers say like little loud probably brushed it because we should.
Yeah, because should I say that to people that got shot because people love stuck home because we funded the something like can I something like that probably coppers. They'll probably think you should coppers at these mass not mafia lord. So
after party coppers.
Yeah, no. Listen, we'll figure it out. But need coppers are in those. Jim's karaoke. Oh my god, bitch in class.
Yeah.
Jim's karaoke. Love. Yeah.
I'm not falling for your diversions, Mr. Carr.
Diversions. Steady and true because it offers. Can't stop. I think a caiim se rihírátí number a chuirde go, so I think a caiimiid chur genú Eagrán in tá garage and shop, but sure listen, right Germínháid éisi in the Seachtainí a ríis mata tú mal farste anocht ar na ihe seo, na ihe tagan in Eagrán seama bíí linn Raidió Fáilte le haid féile in bolg, tá sin ag seacht a chlog so bíginn sin glú agus féile genú an tafad an registration. Jesus, very much armor than Tomo Jenny Charmer the good already. And Claire,
yeah.
And Claire Eventbrite or Studio Fáilte. Ach mat the Gary chart take mat sogan a tag a class fáiste is for like all Eventbrite fáiste agus agus Seansálaithe like all and asks on Instagram agus can't faoi na Instagrams Sean the man host Seansálaithe or Instagram Seansálaithe or Twitter Seansálaithe or YouTube behind the fish all this Federal Ekel and Christian Jazz when we should do in Tafacha and Shaw mat Gary Áine Amsterdam hosted that's more anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. Mas the Gary James Amsterdam hosted that's more flyer tach or Instagram, flyer tach or Twitter, agus flyer tach or TikTok. Because mas the Gary Mahana Amsterdam hosted that's more Hugh Carr here or Twitter, Hugh Carr or Instagram, agus Greg Hugh Carr or TikTok. Now the German James Kate really excited listening to Lion Shanish. Not Jenny German with.
Oh yeah.
So sinné is an Eagrán seo stand na seansaí a go marrás an chatting sugan le Eagrán uair na seansaí. Slán!
Slán!